How to buy Google Play gift cards online. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily buy some Google Play gift cards online. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is just go ahead and open up your Amazon on your web browser, or you can just open up the app if you have it. And here on the search bar, you just have to make sure you're logged in first. And on the search bar, you can just search for Google Play gift cards. And here, once you search for Google Play gift cards, what you can do is just find the one that you'd want to purchase. You can do just email or text delivery only, or you can do the physical card. So I recommend you can do the card via email or your text message because it's way more convenient rather than having an actual card. So here you can choose up to $200. So I'm just going to choose the minimal amount right here, $25. And if you want to deliver it to email, you can add an email of the recipient. I'm just going to email it to myself. And if you want to add multiple recipients, you can just add here and add another recipient if you want to send it to multiple people. Now here on the gift message, by default, it's hope you enjoy the card, and your name is required here so that they know who has sent them this. And on the delivery date, you can just choose the date. So I'm just going to choose another date right here, and it will show you the subtotal right here, and then you can just tap on add to cart. Now once the item has been added to your cart, you can head over to checkout, so just go ahead and check out. So here your subtotal is $25, so you can just go ahead and proceed to check out your item. You'll just have to make sure to add a payment method, your card, or you can pay via PayPal or any of these stuff here. And if you have a promo code, you can add here and continue. And that's how you can easily purchase a Google Play gift card online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.